The importance of ventilation in the kitchen. Dear friends, nobody likes an oven-like, stuffy, and smelly kitchen, especially when you spend most of your time in the kitchen. Ventilation in the kitchen is often overlooked by the majority of kitchen users, but the truth is that ventilation is just as important as cleanliness. It is important to keep in mind that a good ventilation system will improve the performance as well as the health of kitchen staff. A well-ventilated kitchen could greatly help in controlling kitchen temperature and air quality. Here are some reasons for equipping the kitchen with a proper ventilation system. Control kitchen temperature and enhance air quality. The kitchen can get hot and grimy easily because cooking and preparing food generates heat, smoke, grease, and odors. Installing a functional ventilation system is the easiest way to control kitchen temperature and improve air quality. It works by expelling the hot air from your kitchen and creating a constant circulation of air within your kitchen. The elimination of impurities such as heat, smoke, and fumes can greatly improve air quality for a pleasant and more comfortable kitchen environment. Reduce energy loss. Without a proper ventilation system in your kitchen, having fans alone might be ineffective in removing hot and contaminated air out from the kitchen. With some sort of ventilation system, cool air would be removed together with the smoke and hot air, causing the heating, ventilation, and air conditioning (HVAC) system to regenerate cool air to maintain optimal temperature. Thus, a proper ventilation system can help reduce energy loss and at the same time effectively improve air circulation in the entire kitchen. Eliminate odors. Insufficient kitchen ventilation is the main culprit for pesky cooking smells. Unfortunately, no matter how little or heavily you cook, awful cooking odors will still linger around your kitchen. Therefore, a kitchen ventilation system can help you combat such smells. It filters the air from the kitchen and ensures regular airflow into the kitchen. An optimal airflow rate helps to prevent unpleasant odors from taking over your house or restaurant. Hence, all types of kitchens should have a ventilation system to prevent pungent cooking smells. Avoid contamination of exhaust systems. Regular maintenance of the kitchen ventilation system is a big must. The ducts, hoods, and fans of the ventilation systems can be easily contaminated by the smoke, steam, and grease residue that results from cooking. If you leave the exhaust system unclean, it can lead to unwanted damage. So, the exhaust system must be inspected regularly and you should always keep the system clean at all times. Besides, well-designed kitchen ventilation that features a filtration membrane can effectively help to reduce the number of residues trapped in the exhaust system. In short, having proper kitchen ventilation can greatly help in controlling the temperature and air quality, reducing energy loss, eliminating odors, and avoiding contamination. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer AJ Laud's channel How to Make My House.